In this video, we'll show you how to upload videos to YouTube using the YouTube mobile main app. While logged in, tap the camera icon at the top of the app to choose the type of content you would like to create. From here, you can record a new video or select an existing video from your gallery. Once you've recorded or selected a video, you can trim your video by dragging the edges beneath it or add a filter to it. Once you're done editing, tap Next. Here, you can add a title and description to your video, and adjust the privacy setting. You can make your video public, unlisted, private, or schedule your video. Once you're done editing your video's metadata, tap Next. Then you'll be led to set your video's audience setting. Once you're done, tap Upload to upload your video. Once you're done uploading, you can find your video by going to Library and then Your Videos in the YouTube Main or YouTube Studio mobile apps. We recommend using the Studio mobile app if you want to change any of your video settings, see video analytics, comment filters, and more. And if you're a monetizing creator, the Studio app lets you turn ads on or off and adjust your monetization settings. If you want to delete your video using the YouTube mobile main app, go to your Library tab, then Your Videos, then tap the three-dot menu, then Delete. Remember, you can't undelete videos, so take extra caution when deciding to delete a video. Check out other videos about YouTube Studio here, and check out the Help Center articles linked below. Thanks for watching.